You guys found it. I'll fix it. Next step, full body restoration and paint. Time to strip this down to perfection.
This is transformation. Now that it runs, we make it look like a Lamborghini again. Every inch has to be flawless.
It's completely eaten alive. Wow. Who leaves something like this to die? First step, see how bad it really is. Oh, this is bad. This is really bad. I'm restoring this entire Lamborghini yacht from scrap to supercar of the sea. All right, let's tear this thing apart. This rust is fighting back. That's years of damage gone in seconds. Oh yeah, that's progress. Yeah, it's gonna get messy. You've gotta be kidding me. This engine is done. We're rebuilding from zero. Good, I like a challenge. We strip it down, then we rebuild it a beast. All right, now we're getting somewhere. Time to wash! Use the evacuate! Look at that underneath. It's still alive. You gotta fight rust with force. Oh, yeah, that shine is coming back. That's not good. This could have sunk instantly. We need to patch this fast. Perfect surface or nothing. Goodbye, Brad! Glass level. Smooth. No leaks allowed on my build. Minor leak, easy fix. This thing is coming back strong. Problem solved. Hold up, that's not good. We've got readings, everything's responding. Smooth, way smoother than I expected. Yeah, this is real work. Hull saved, and we're just getting started. Sealing this up stronger than before. All right, time to bring out the heat. Now we rebuild the structure, stronger than ever. But I've seen worse. We can bring it back.
Precision matters. One mistake and it's all off.
Custom panels, nothing off the shelf here. No way. That's the one? Steady hand, no streaks. Look at that shine already. This doesn't even look like the same yacht.
Layer by layer, perfection.
Now that is a comeback.
Next, we detail it like a true Lamborghini. Details make the difference, but this has to be perfect.
Clean lines, no mistakes. Oh, that's clean. Modern touch, now we're talking. Sharp, aggressive, exactly the vibe.
Mirror finish, nothing less.
That shine is unreal.
That's luxury.
This will run. This too bad.
Final step, we take it back to the water. From rust to this. Oh, yeah, that's it. Perfect fit, just like that. Lock it in, no weak spots. You know. Yeah, that's clean.
From rusted trash to solid metal.
We're rebuilding a super yacht here!
Next step, bringing this dead engine back to life.
All right, let's see what we're working with. Good thing I didn't plan to save it. This thing is heavy!
And completely useless.
Time to bring in something worthy of this beast. Now this is what it deserved. We're upgrading everything. Let's install this monster and change everything. Careful, this install has to be perfect.
No slips, no mistakes. Easy, easy. Easy, easy.
Line it up. Right there.
Come on, man, Fifth.
Yes! That's what I'm talking! Lock it down before anything shifts. This thing's not going anywhere. That looks insane. Next up, wiring this beast and bringing power back. New nerves for the beast. Every connection matters. Okay, she's waking up. Clean wiring, no shortcuts. From chaos to perfection. You hear that? That's power. We've got life. This is where it starts looking new.
Thanks. Back to work.
Listen to that sound. That's power.
Perfect consistency, perfect finish. We're going bold, no boring colors.
This is where the magic happens. Now, we bring the color back to life. That's the finish we need. This thing used to be a mod monster.